In this video, we will look at the main features and capabilities of the Magnettrack positioning system, as well as the basic advantages of the Magnettrack super adaptive software kernel as a technological platform for building continuous positioning system. The Magnettrack positioning system is based on magnet striction technology. We will use Bluetooth BTL7 magnet strictive sensors based on Profinet protocol. One of the main questions that our customers often ask us is how stable is the Magnettrack system to significant fluctuations and vibrations of the vertical and horizontal positioning device? And how does Magnettrack tolerate to rail and wheel wearing? For resolving this issue, we have introduced a system so-called calibers. Caliber is the size of the magnets, of which the marking of the track consists of both positional and interval markers. The larger the magnet, the greater its contact zone when interacting with the magnetic sensor. In total, the Magnettrack system have 4 base calibers. The largest of them, the fourth, has a contact zone area of 60 mm vertically and plus minus 50 mm horizontally. We will carry out our demonstration on interval and positioning markers of the first caliber, which have a compact size, minimal thickness and anti-vandal performance.
The first caliber has a 15 mm vertical contact zone, up to 34 mm, with lateral contact zone plus or minus 15 mm. This is more than enough for positioning devices with a wheel diameter up to 250 mm. And here, for example, a position marker of the third caliber. Its contact area is 45 mm up to 55 mm, with lateral contact zone plus or minus 40 mm. Such markers should be used for wheels with diameters up to 800 mm.
In general, depending on the operating conditions and features of the position device, we select a caliber the contact area of which covers at least 2 times all possible vibrations and vibrations of the device, including all types of wearing of wheel and rail equipment. If necessary, it can be introduced specialized calibers, as well as the design of the markers can be changed for the best suit to the needs of the customer. Our interval and positional markers have universal design, so it can be integrated on any substrate. Let's start positioning. Our first point is on 300 mm. Here we have positioning and interval markers on wood substrate. Our second point is on 1200 mm. Here we have 1 pair of positional magnets on plastic non-magnet substrate and 1 positional marker on steel magnetic substrate. Our last point is on 1700 mm. We have pair of positional markers on steel magnetic substrate. You can check all coordinates on our SCADA interface. Our SCADA interface has micrometer scale measurement. In static condition, we have small fluctuations due to the repeatability of BTL sensor. Super adaptive core has an ability of ordering chaos. Let's demonstrate this. We will place magnets in random order. At this point, we will have coordinate 1,400. 1,800. 2,000. Let's mess this up. We will throw away this pair. Mix these magnets. Add this interval marker. And add one position marker at the beginning. At this point, we have coordinate 1,300, 1,700, 2,100. That's not magic, it's super adaptive core. Super adaptive core automatically, with high accuracy, calculate real coordinates of magnets in magnetic layout. Depends on caliber. For each magnet in layout, we have up to 70 micrometers of error in real geodetic coordinate. For example, our distance is equal to 100 meters. Our bezel is 2 meters length. 100 magnets in layout multiply on 70 micrometers, and it is equal to 7 millimeters of geodesical error in 100 meters of distance independently from magnet's layout. The stability of Magnettrack positioning system to various kinds of technological pollution is the second of the most frequent questions from our customers. In general, the magnetic field is quite difficult to shield. It probably doesn't make sense to show that the Magnettrack system is resistant to pollution by non-magnetic materials. This is obvious. Based on the information from our ruler, we have coordinate 1,600 millimeters. You can check it on our SCADA interface. Let's instead evaluate the durability of the Magnettrack system based on metallic magnetic materials. We will use for this purpose small metal magnetic hardware. And again, based on the information from our ruler, we have coordinate 1,600 millimeters. You can check it on our SCADA interface. As you can see, some metal objects do not affect on the system, like other metal dust as well.